right. The doctors here have been on an indefinite strike since August 12th, and they continue to protest. And the common sentiment here is no safety, no duty. We all know the heinous crime that took place at RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, which has resurfaced the whole question about the security and safety measures that should be in place for the doctors and the healthcare professionals. And here we can see right outside Nirman Bhavan, which houses the Union Health Ministry, the doctors have assembled, and it is going to get big at around afternoon time at 2 o'clock. And I'm joined by a fellow doctor. So, ma'am, what is the main demand right now? Of course, we understand we are all seeking justice for the trainee doctor who was raped and murdered at RG Kar. Apart from that, what is the main demand?
So we're very grateful that CBI has taken over the case, and we're hoping for a transparent investigation so that she can get the justice she deserves. But also since then, if you see what happened in Calcutta on the 14th night and how doctors were attacked, a hospital was dismantled and destroyed, vandalized. Since then, lots of news is coming of doctors all over the country getting attacked by bystanders, patients, attendants, etc. This is not a new phenomena. It's been happening. All of us have been threatened, attacked. We're all feeling unsafe. So honestly, we want security. CPA that we're asking for, the Central Protection Act, we want an act that actually protects health workers, healthcare staff, nurses, paramedical, anybody who's involved in patient care. And even patients for that matter. Declare healthcare institutes as a safe zone where people are scared of doing anything to us, where they're scared of threatening us, so that at least we have the guarantee that we'll be safe in our work environment, and we want workplace safety so that this does not happen again, so that even something minor and an attack does not happen on a healthcare worker again.